Armani Beauty. See Eau de Parfum Women's Perfume Modern Chypre Fragrance Blackcurrant Nectar, Rose de Mai and Freesia, Patchouli Notes. This iconic perfume, housed in a sleek, refillable bottle, has captivated women globally with its addictive blend of fruity zest, floral elegance, and warm sophistication. Types of Armani Beauty fragrances. While the original Eau de Parfum remains a favorite, explore these variations. 1. Passion. I notes, pear, rose, vanilla. 2. Vibe, bold and passionate. 2. Fiori. I notes, cassis, bergamot, white musks. 2. Vibe, fresh and floral. 3. Intense. I notes, rum, vanilla, woody accord. 2. Vibe, rich and sensual. Each flanker caters to different moods, letting you curate a fragrance wardrobe. Benefits of using Armani Beauty 1. Boosts confidence, the empowering scent becomes your invisible armor. 2. Hypoallergenic safe, ideal for reactive skin types. 3. Eco-conscious design, refill options reduce plastic waste. 4. Signature scent potential, unique enough to be memorable, versatile enough for daily wear. 5. Luxury experience, Armani's legacy ensures premium quality and craftsmanship. You're gifting it or treating yourself, promises to be a timeless companion. Ready to say yes to life? Let's be your signature. Subscribe my channel and share this video.